Make an object spin in Premiere Pro. First of all, add the photo or media in your timeline. Then you have to select the clip and go to Effect Controls. Under Effect Control, here you will find this rotation. Now you have to move this playhead at the 0 second, just like this, and then add a keyframe. Here you can see the keyframe add date. Now move this playhead at 3 seconds. So here select 3 seconds and then again add a keyframe. Now select, give here a rotation value 15x, and then you have to select these both keyframes and right click any of the selected frame and just click on erase out. Now you have to expand rotation, and here we can see the 2 keyframes. Now you have to add these 2 keyframes. As I add here, just follow my process. And now let's play the photo, and here you can see the spin effect successfully add date. That's it.